Hi, this is an unboxing video and I have got, a heavy Degustabox this month. This is what it looks like. Degustabox arrived this morning. It arrives by courier. They send you a text message to let you know that your driver will be with you within a certain hour of the day. So if you're not going to be in, you can message them and tell them to leave it at a safe place, at a neighbour, or at a local pickup place, or deliver a different day. So you have got that option, which I really like. So yeah, so mine arrived today. I've just opened it up here ready, and I don't know what's inside. Oh, I can't remember. I do know one thing, and it's a peanut butter item. But this is what it looks like inside here. Hold on. So it's well packaged. Woo. So got some leaflets there, I'll put to the side. Well packaged with really large bubble wrap. So those are the items for the month. So if you've seen my Degustabox boxes before and you know all about the subscription and the signing up process and all that, then I will add a timestamp down below, so you are free to click forward to actually me opening up the products and showing you what I got. But for those of you who would like to learn more, I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It's a food subscription box. Now the box costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. So thanks to many of you who have used my refer a friend code, I now get these boxes for free. So for every 2 people that sign up using the refer a friend code, I believe it's £5 off plus an extra freebie food item. I'll link it all down below. Click on the show more. That will bring up the description. I should know all this by now, shouldn't I? And all the information will be down there, links to the subscription and my code and everything. So if you are interested, take a look there. So thanks to people using my code, it means that for every 2 that uses my code, I get a free box. So if you were to sign up and if you were to share your code on social media, if 2 people use your code, then you will get a free box. So I think that's such a great refer a friend deal. Inside the box you get a mix of 10 to 15 food items. You do get a lot of like dairy-free products, gluten-free, vegan, but it's not solely that. It's not customizable either, so everyone gets the same. There might be different flavors and things, but everyone gets the same products. But I think as a family box as a whole, if you've got someone that is gluten-free, then there will always be something in this box suitable for them. But as I said, it's not solely catered for the individual dietary needs. So we've had in the past quite a good mix. We have some random things like tuna and or tins of tuna, and salad cream was one, and I just find them hysterical. Really great stuff, but it's just funny. But the majority of the items in this box are new up and coming products that are just being released into the shops, so we get a chance to try them before, you know, everyone else tries them, I suppose. So in this box we get a leaflet and it tells you everything about the products. It tells you a little bit of information and the cost as well. And then we've got 2 other leaflets here. They're normally money off vouchers. So we've got a money off voucher for A2 milk, which is a pure cow's milk that's naturally easy to digest. And how much is that? Oh, try for free. Oh, there's a free coupon there. And then we got another one here. So what's this? Choc chick. Oh gosh, why is it so hard to say? Choc chicken. It's a vegan superfood, and there's no money off, but there's a recipe on the back there for cookies, so I'm assuming we've got one of these in the box. First item, oh my word, my daughter is gonna love me. It is it's Cadbury Oreo hot chocolate. She is obsessed with Oreos, absolutely obsessed, and she loves making Oreo milkshakes. So yeah, oh, she's gonna love that. And the recommended retail price for this is £2.99. It says, bringing the Oreo biscuit taste to life in a delicious way. Simply put 4 heaped teaspoons of Cadbury Oreo hot chocolate into a mug, pour on hot water and stir for a delicious moment. Oh, whole grain snacks. These are organic Dr. Cogs, crackling good bite, and this is tomato mozzarella, high in fibre, vegan, no additives, combining luscious pieces of tomato and soft mild mozzarella. Oh wow, I absolutely love tomato mozzarella and basil. I love that combination, absolutely love it. So what's it say here? So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price for this is £1.60. Baked and not fried, made of crunchy grains and seeds, as well as other wholesome ingredients, sun-ripened, Moorish and gone in a bite. So that's the second item. Ooh, butter crisps. So this is Jules Death Trooper, and it's Belgium butter crisps. So that's what it looks like there. Oh, so we've got hot chocolate and biscuits. So this would cost you £1.80. Summer butter, sugar, eggs and flour. Together they combine. Great and crunchy biscuit that wins everyone over because of the rich taste of butter, caramelised sugar and a hint of spice. A Belgian classic. Indie Bay, we've had these before. I can't remember what they were now. Maybe nuts, I'm not too sure. And these are snack bags, and they're spelt pretzel bites in flavour easy cheese. So 99 calorie a bag there. We will receive one of 2 flavours in the box, so I've got the cheesy ones. I can't see what the other ones are, I'm afraid, but they cost 99p each. And it says, these delicious bites are made using alternative flours like spelt and quinoa. That means they're a convenient source of fibre and protein. Their 2 new flavours, smoking barbecue and easy cheesy, are vegan as well. These are pretzels with benefits. So that's that. Oh, I'm really hot. I'm sweating in here. Oh, there, just tie my hair back. I got no hair extensions in today. I've given my hair a trim. I've taken off about 5 inches. It needed it, but it's looking a little bit more blunt now at the bottom. But yeah, I thought I'd give it a bit of a break, see how I feel about going out without any hair extensions in my hair, which is really, you know, not that often. But no, it's all right. It's just, it feels very light, as if I've got no hair in my head. Anyway, back to the Degustabox. We've had this before and it was really, really lovely. So this is a easy to digest A2 milk, long life whole cow's milk, and it's a massive 1 litre bottle. Now we had, as I said, we had this a couple of months ago and it was really, really good. We all enjoyed it. So this would cost you £1.50. It's naturally free from the A1 protein found in regular cow's milk, so it's gentle on sensitive tummies, easy to digest and less likely to trigger symptoms associated with milk intolerance. So nothing like that. Oh, I bet this is alcohol. You do get the odd alcoholic treat in your box as well. Ooh, got 2 here. And what are these? What's it say on the card? Oh, Jack Daniel's Tennessee cider. Ooh, I used to love Jack Daniel's growing up. That sounds really bad, doesn't it? Older teen, early 20s, I used to drink Jack Daniel's a lot. Not too lot. Oh my gosh, I've got to be careful what I say. I used to love Jack Daniel's then, but I haven't had it in a long, long time. So Jack Daniel's Tennessee cider, crisp apple cider blended with Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, 5.5% full. Are they both the same? Yeah. Oh, one for me, one for my husband. Wow, what's it say about these? These cost £2.29 each. By combining crisp apple cider with smooth Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, we've expertly blended something that's not only distinctly refreshing, but also unremarkably Jack to the core. Oh, I love that. When you sign up, you do get a chance to fill out like a personalised questionnaire, and they try to send you items based on your preferences. So I think one of the things is like, do you drink alcohol? Would you like alcohol? So you can say yes or no. I've put yes, obviously, because I've had 2 in this box. So if you said no, then they would send you something else. But generally everything else is the same. There's only a few little things like that you have the option to opt in or out of. But next item then is, whoa, what's this? Good hemp. It's hemp seed hearts, high in protein, high in omega-3 for baking toppings and sprinkling. And this is a 225 gram bag, or a pouch, a sealable pouch. And there you go. So the recommended retail price of this is £3.99. Hemp seed kernels, which have a delicious light and nutty flavour. And it says high in protein and omega-3 and 6. They are the perfect healthy and filling snack. Alternatively, sprinkle on cereal, porridge, yogurt, soup and salads, or use in baking. Enjoy. So no, I've never used this before, but it's gluten, free from nuts, gluten and GMO. It's suitable for vegetarians and vegans. So no, it sounds really, really good. Nice and healthy. 3 bars here. These are Yes bars. That's what they look like there. So this one is delicious beetroot and apple fruit bar, gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan and high in fibre. That's what that one looks like. And we got its sumptuous cranberry and dark chocolate nut bar, vegetarian, gluten-free and high in fibre, vegetarian, sans gluten And yeah, sorry, it's the same, they're all the same. So that's that one there. Tempting dark choc, sea salt and almond. Ooh, and this exactly the same, gluten-free, vegetarian, etc. So you got 3 of these there. These cost £1.20 each. Everyone will receive 3 in their box this month. Our fruit bars contain no added sugar and contain 1 of your 5 a day. Our nut bars contain 5 grams of sugar and a source of protein. Choc Go, that's from the leaflet we had, isn't it? It says Choc Go, love chocolate, love cocoa, cocoa nibbles, organic cocoa nibs with yacon, 100% cocoa, organic. So that's there. £1.85 it will cost you. The most delicious way to enjoy goodness of the whole cocoa bean with a touch of yacon. I've never heard of that, am I saying that right? Yacon. This superfood combination is chock full of antioxidants, magnesium and iron, and is a powerful prebiotic, a perfect dessert snack or for adding to dessert cereals or yogurt. Oh, that sounds amazing, exactly what I need at the moment. And this is the peanut butter item that I was saying. So this is Reese's peanut butter cups. How many's in there? 3. So there's 3 in there. This will cost you 89p. Satisfy your peanut butter passion with 3 incredibly delicious Reese's peanut butter cups. Rich, delectable peanut butter cups drenched in smooth chocolate, the perfect combination of chocolate and peanut butter. And then our last item is what looks like an energy drink, Juicy Fuel Cola. Now I think we've had this before. Not in a red can though, or maybe we have, I'm not too sure. Cola fruit juice drink. Fuel your life. 100% natural, 0 artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. What does it say? This will cost you £1.50 and it's from the Juice Shed Company, a fruit cola made from 100% natural ingredients, no added sugar, no added chemicals, nasty E numbers or anything that doesn't need to be there. So that's our last item. So I can't gather everything up as I normally do with my beauty boxes because I just need extra hands and I just can't do it. They're all scattered around me at the moment. But we have had 14 items in this month's box with a value of £26-27. I will tot it up properly and I will link it down below. We've got some nice sweetie items in there. My kids will be super happy. But I think the hemp seeds excite me, and the milk, we know we like that, and yeah, my daughter's gonna, and my sons will absolutely love the Oreo hot chocolate. But yeah, no, some nice things in there, some nice things. Not many savoury type food like cooking sauces and things like that we sometimes get in the boxes. But no, overall quite a nice box. I think those crackers sound lovely as well. There's mozzarella and tomato ones. So no, I quite like it. So yeah, so what are your thoughts of this month's box? What do you think of it, and are you looking forward to getting yours if you receive it? 2 videos in one day. So my other one was a Debenhams beauty card freebie, so I had to post that up today because the actual freebies might not be available much longer. So yeah, so 2 in one day is not often, but there you go. So I'll stop rambling now. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.